Will AI replace sheet metal design engineers? Let's see how current AI tools deal with a simple sheet metal design part. The case study part was created within SolidWorks, and it makes use of a simple base flange with rounded corners. The sheet metal part is bent using 3 sketch lines and has a symmetric shape. 2 gussets are positioned on the left and right side of the part. These are the 3 screenshots of the design part taken from different perspective views. These will be added to 2 different AI solutions capable of creating 3D models starting with image inputs. Let's check the first one, Dream Gaussian. As we can see, the AI platform failed to recognize the shape of the sheet metal part. The output models are unusable, not even as simple shape references. The second AI tool, CSM, managed to recreate better models, but these are far from being usable 3D models. Keep in mind that these AI tools are not program-specific for computer-aided design, as these tools will improve. They will make use of specific parameters, allowing them to recreate 3D models accurately. At the end, I have added one of the image once again in CSM, and I obtained a fairly better model. AI is not likely to replace sheet metal design engineers entirely, but it is likely to change the way they work and the skills they need. AI can automate many of the routine tasks that sheet metal design engineers currently perform, such as generating drawings and analyzing designs for manufacturability. This will free up engineers to focus on more creative and strategic work, such as developing innovative new designs and solving complex engineering problems. Therefore, I encourage you to study computer-aided design. With YouTube's intuitive search functionality, you can easily find relevant videos based on your specific needs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.